All right, quiet on the set. Everybody be quiet. I'm about to mess myself up. It's me, Jazz Beautiful Hair, and I am back this time with a challenge. I have never done a challenge on my channel before, and I really wanted to do this challenge like the day after I seen Bird Box. So, this is so weird. Okay. Shit, I did not set myself up first. I'm gonna leave a lot more out this time because I don't want to do too. I don't want to be braiding my hair too long. I'm trying to braid it decently because I should put a net on, but I'm not gonna put a net on because I don't have time. I have to go to. I'm tweaking. I'm hearing stuff for real. In my house. But I'm gonna be fine by the end of this. I'm gonna be fine as hell. Yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am. Oh my gosh. So who had the best death of the movie? Who died the best? When the sister walked in front of the bus, that was a great death. Like, that death was really good. And then another one was really good would have to be, damn, I don't even remember the other deaths. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's enough hair left out. Okay. It's gonna have to be. I could have put a little bit more hair. So I could do the part like over here. All right, let's style me. All right, y'all, so I've just noticed that these flat irons not even on, so I have to turn them on. These are my beautiful Croc flat irons. These are the best flat irons that you can buy. Get you some, get you some, get you some. I don't think that's safe to do. It's coming on, it's getting hot. We're gonna use this wig brush. We're gonna press this hair out using the wig brush. This hair's not that terrible. I mean, it's bad. Don't get me wrong. This hair, the weave is cheap, honey. The weave is canceled. Take your time. No, take your time for real. No. Oh my gosh. No, I can't see. No, what if I break them? See, this is a dangerous video. No, don't fall now. Sit. Don't grab that like a boss. Did y'all see me grab them irons like a boss? It didn't even look over. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. This is dangerous as hell. This is dangerous as hell. It's worse than looking outside your damn blindfold. What I'm looking like, what I'm looking like, what I'm looking like, what I'm looking like. I don't know. I don't even know. Look at that little sew-in. Seamless. You know? Seamless. Ooh, girl. Even when I sew it like I grow it. You know I gotta show it. Oh, sure, we don't care. You know you want celebrity here. They walk competition a few years ago with celebrity hair, and I wrote a song. I went to go to this sew-in class, short crop sew-ins, and I won, y'all. I won against a lot of different people from different states. I'm posting on Instagram. I need some edge. This is my ebon. I don't even need this much. All right, y'all ready? Should I reveal it? Here it is. Yeah, girl, you fine. Ooh, I don't like that part. Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, I don't like that part. Let's see. This bang a little funny. I will have to cut that, like layer it into it or something. Actually, it look decent. Let me see, did I do the baby hairs right? Hell no. To the no. My bird box sew-in, bird box sew-in, yo. These little baby hairs over here got me in it. All right, this is the final look. Cute. It's kind of cute. You guys seen it from the beginning to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe. I need to get some makeup on. I'm barefaced. I would like to say I survived the Bird Box Challenge. Let's go ahead, blindfold yourself, and I want to see y'all do y'all own install, whatever type of style you would want to do. Do it. Bird Box Challenge with me this weekend. I'll probably put this in a ponytail or something. You look damn good, Jasmine. You look damn good.